welcome to Regal Classes. Today we will learn exercise 6.5 of chapter number 6. So first question is, PQR is a triangle right angled at P. So here we will draw triangle PQR. Here it is given P is at right angle, so here we will give it the name P, Q and R. If PQ is 10 cm, here PQ 10 cm and PR 24 cm, then find QR. We need to find the hypotenuse. So if two sides are given and we need to find hypotenuse in a right angle triangle, we will use Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? Sum of square of two sides, that is PR square plus PQ square equals to RQ square. So here PR is 24, so 24 square plus PQ is 10 square equals to RQ square or QR square. Now here we need to find QR. So QR square equals to 24 square is 576 plus 10 square is 100. Therefore QR square equals 676 and therefore QR equals under root of 676 and we know under root of 676 is 26 centimeter. So QR will be 26 centimeter. Now we will see question number 2. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. So here I have drawn triangle ACB where C is a right angle. Now if AB is 25 centimeter, here length of AB is given 25 centimeter and AC equals 7 centimeter. AC is 7 and find BC. We need to find this BC. It is same as first question, but in first question we have found out hypotenuse. In this we will find the side of a triangle. So again we will use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? AC square plus BC square equals hypotenuse square, that is AB square. Now here length of AC is given 7, so 7 square plus BC we need to find BC square equals AB is here 25, so 25 square. Therefore we need to find BC, so we will make it as that BC square equals 25 square minus 7 square. 25 square is 625 minus 7 square 49 equals 576. Therefore BC equals under root 576 which equals 24 centimeter. So we got the length of BC, that is 24 centimeter. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meter high from the ground. Here a ladder 15 meter long reached the window 12 meter height. So one side will be 12 meter and ladder will be of 15 meter. Placing it against a wall at a distance A. It is placed, this is wall, you need to understand, and it is placed at a distance A. So this much distance will be A, distance between ladder and the wall. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. So we need to find this distance A from the foot of the ladder to the wall. So here we can see it forms a right angle triangle and this ladder forms the hypotenuse. So we need to find the base. So again we will use Pythagoras theorem. Let us name this triangle as ABC. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equals AC square. In bracket we can write Pythagoras theorem. So here length of AB is 12, so 12 square plus BC square, that here A it is given, so we will take it as A square, which equals AC square. So here AC is 15, so 15 square. Therefore we need to find A square, so we will make it as height. So A square is equals to 15 square minus 12 square. So 15 square is 225 and 12 square is 144. So 225 minus 144 will be 81. So A square is equals to 81. Therefore A is equals to under root 81, which equals 9. So the base will be 9 meters. So now next is question number 4. Which of the following can be sides of a right angle triangle? So from this we need to find that whether it is a right angle triangle or not. So we have property that if it is a right angle triangle, then it will follow Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is sum of square of two sides equals the square of hypotenuse. So first we will find the square of all the three sides. Here first 2.5 square. So 2.5 into 2.5. 5 5 is 25, 2 5 2 is 10, 12, 5 2 is 10, 1 carry, 2 2 is 4, 5. So it is 625 and decimal, so after 2 digit point, so 6.25. So 2.5 square is 6.25. Now we need to find 6.5 square. So here 6.5 into 6.5. So 5 5 is 25. 2 6 5 is 30. 32 into 6 5 is 30. 3 carry 6 is 36 plus 3 39. So it will be 5 2 2 1 4 and digit decimal. So after 2 digit point will come. So it will be 42.25 and we know 6 square equals 36. Now we need to check that sum of two sides equals the third side. So here we will add this first and second. We need to add two small sides which will equal the hypotenuse. So here 36 plus 6.25 which equals 42.25. So this star equation and this both are same. So it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. So it is the sides of right angle triangle. Now second one, 2 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. Again we will first find square of all the sides, that is 2 square 4, again 2 square 4 and 5 square 25. Now we will add two small sides. So here 4 plus 4 which equals 16. It does not equal to the third side, that is 25. So these are not the sides of right angle triangle. Now third, 1.5 cm, 2 cm, 2.5. So again we will find square. First 1.5 square, that is 1.5 into 1.5. 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 1 is 5, 7, 5 1 is 5, 1 is 1. It is 5, 7 plus 5 12, 1, 225, 2 decimal, so 2.25. Then it is 2 square. We know 2 square is 4. Then 2.5 square. So here 2.5 into 2.5. 5 5 is 25, 2 4 carry, 5 2 is 10, 12, 5 2 is 10, 1, 2 is 4, 5. So it is 625, but decimal, so after 2 digit point. So it will be 6.25. Now again we will add two sides which are small. So here first and second are small. We will add 4 plus 2.25, which equals 6.25, which is equal to the third side. So we are getting sum of two sides equal third side. So these are the sides of a right angle triangle. Thank you.